Exercise 3.4 Problem 1 Division 1. Find the quotient and remainder using synthetic division x cube plus x square minus 3x plus 5 divided by x minus 1. Select p of x be x cube plus x square minus 3x plus 5 and 0 of the divisor is 1. That is basically what we need to do is that equate the divisor to 0. So you will get x is equal to 1. So this is the divisor. Okay, but before get going, I just want to mention few things. That we have to be very careful that it is in the all the terms are there. That is, if there is a missing term, for example, it has to be in the descending order first, right? Descending or ascending, but generally it is descending order. Okay, and you have to make sure that no terms are missing. For instance, x square is missing. You'll have to put 0 x square here. Okay, let's check whether it's in descending. It's cube, square to the power of 1 constant, that is x cube, x square, x to the power of 1 and x to the power of 0. So it is in the descending order and we have all the terms. There is no term missing. If there is any term missing, you will have to add 0, right? Then you have to even use synthetic division, write all the coefficients. Okay, coefficients of the polynomial here. That is, in this case, x cubed is 1, x square is 1, and x is minus 3, and the constant is 5. So it is 1, 1, minus 3, and 5. And put the divisor here, the 0 of the divisor. Here in this case, the divisor is x minus 1. When you equate it to 0, you get x is equal to 1. So the 0 of the divisor is put here. Then for the first term, you always add 0. Okay, then add up. So what will happen? 1 plus 0 is 1. Then you multiply this with the divisor and put it here. So again 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. And 5 minus 1 is 4. Right? So and the last term is remainder and this is the quotient. And when there is a quotient, this is a constant. This is the coefficient of x and this is the coefficient of x square. So the quotient will be x square plus 2x minus 1 and the remainder is 4. Okay, so this is how the synthetic division needs to be done. All you need to be is very careful that it is in the no terms are missing and it is arranged in the descending order. Take the 0 of the divisor, put it here and write all the coefficients of the polynomial. Add 0 for the first number, okay, for the first term, and then keep adding and multiplying. So it's 1 plus 0 for the second. This is the first row and the second row, right? For the second row, always put 0 for the first term. So it becomes 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 into 1, put it over here. Then 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 into 1 is 2. So then minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. And 5 minus 1 is 4 and this is the remainder. Okay, so this is the constant, this is the x term and this is the x square. So this is the quotient overall. Okay, so then that's what I'm saying. This is x square plus 2x minus 1 is your quotient and the remainder is 4. Okay, so being the first term, I took a little bit of extra time to explain it twice. Now you have a basic idea and you can try the remaining problems and you can come and check your working against our solution. Okay, thanks for viewing this video.